What if you could unlock hidden powers in your body? Imagine controlling your heartbeat with your mind, using your thoughts to heal yourself, or realizing that ancient ideas about energy weren't just myths. Are chakras real, or do they align with the body's electric signals? We try to find answers to these questions in this video. Welcome back to Spill Edge. For centuries, spiritual traditions have spoken of unseen energy flowing through us. But what if these ideas weren't just mystical beliefs? Can brain computer technology help us reach higher states of awareness? What happens when we merge ancient wisdom with cutting edge science? Let's explore how the future of human evolution might lie in the meeting of both worlds. For hundreds of years, people practicing yoga have believed in seven chakras or energy centers that control different parts of the body and mind. These energy centers are said to influence everything from emotions to physical health. But is this just an old belief or is there some truth to it? Scientists have found that the locations of chakras match up with major nerve centers and glands in the body. The heart chakra, for example, is in the same place as the cardiac plexus, which controls the heart. The third eye chakra, or the Agya chakra, is where the pineal gland sits, a tiny part of the brain that controls sleep and has been linked to intuition. The solar plexus, or the Sahasrara chakra, aligns with the enteric nervous system, sometimes called the second brain because it influences our feelings and emotions. Even more surprising, our bodies actually create an electric field, and scientists studying bioelectricity have discovered that our cells talk to each other using tiny electric signals. Research on electromagnetic frequencies has shown that the body generates and responds to subtle energy fields. Could it be that ancient people sensed these energy flows and described them as chakras? Let me know in the comments below. Some experts believe that practices like acupuncture and Reiki, which manipulate energy fields, could have a scientific basis yet to be fully understood. If yoga and meditation can change our body's energy, can technology do the same or even better? This is where biohacking comes in. Biohackers use science and technology to improve their bodies and minds. Some scientists are developing brain chips like Neuralinks implants to make people smarter, restore lost abilities, or even control emotions. Others use electrical brain stimulation to improve memory and focus. There are even devices like transcranial direct current stimulation, TDCS, that send mild electrical signals to the brain to enhance learning and creativity. Meanwhile, biohackers are experimenting with magnetic implants to sense electromagnetic fields, and some have even injected themselves with genetic modifications to enhance physical performance. But what if one day technology could activate chakras? Could a device be designed to enhance our natural energy centers and control emotions? What do you think? What if a brain implant could tune our bodies to the perfect frequency for happiness, a focus, or even spiritual awakening? Would it be a modern way of awakening these ancient energy centers? For thousands of years, people have used meditation to reach deep states of mind. Scientists have found that experienced meditators can change their brainwaves, putting themselves in a higher state of super awareness. Some monks and yogis have even demonstrated control over their body temperature, heartbeat, and metabolism, things we now know are possible through nervous system regulation. Studies on Tibetan monks show that advanced meditation can boost gamma brainwaves linked to heightened awareness and cognition. But here's the big question: should we stick with old techniques like meditation, or should we use new technology to evolve faster? Some scientists argue that if brain computer interfaces can simulate meditation's effects instantly, we could achieve enlightenment at the press of a button. On the other hand, Meditation is free, safe, and has stood the test of time. But will future generations rely more on machines than inner discipline? What do you think? Will future humanity be split into two, those who master their minds naturally and those who use technology to enhance consciousness? Ancient sages looked for enlightenment inside themselves, and scientists are now searching for the same thing using technology. Maybe the secret to unlocking our greatest potential is in using both. Are we ready to master the hidden energy within us? That's it for this episode of Tech, Dharma, and the Future. If you enjoyed watching it, hit that like button. Also, subscribe to Spill Edge and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming videos. Stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, take care and see you next time.